Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to do is we're going to create a text file on our desktop and then we're going to open it and read it. So let's start first of all. I'm going to create a scalar path here to my desktop. And this is on Windows, by the way. Okay, and we're going to use CHDIR here just to change the path. Now, this is the path to my desktop. This won't be the path to your desktop. So, if you type this in here and try to run the program on your system, it won't work. So you will have to find your own unique path. Right, so we've changed to that directory, which is my desktop, and now I'm going to create a subroutine called create txt. So we're going to create a txt on the desktop. So I'm going to create a scalar variable here called file handler. So that's my file handler there. I'm going to assign it to open, and I'm going to give the file a name. So it's going to be a txt file, so it's just going to be any old name like readme.txt. So that's going to go on the whoops, that's wrong there. That's going to go on the desktop, and then we need to do that, and then we're going to assign it a W. So this will create the file here for writing to. Okay, so that's the W, and then we're going to do the file handler dot print. So we're going to print something inside the file. I'm just going to say something like new content. So we've created the file and we've used the file handler to print new content inside. Now all we have to do, we can't leave the file open, so we have to close the file. So that's, whoops, that's wrong, sorry. That's going to be file handler close. Okay, so we're going to close the file handler. Right, so what we're going to do now, we've created the file here called readme.txt on my desktop. We've written to it new content. We've closed the file. Now what we want to do is we want to read the file, so it's going to be read file here, and we're going to create another subroutine below where we can read the file. So sub and read file. Okay, so that's just below there. And we're going to create another file handler now. I'll just name it the same as the above because we're using two different functions here, so this won't interfere with that. So, but you can name it anything you want, you know what I mean? You could name it XXXX if you wanted, but it's not very descriptive. So that's my file handler there, and I'm going to use something called slurp here, so it kind of slurps it all in and then it'll spit it out. So we need the name of the file, which is going to be readme.txt. Okay, and now once we've slurped the contents in, we need to spit them out using say, so we need to print them out. So that's going to be scalar file handler. Okay, so that looks okay. I can't see any typos there at the moment. We will find out at runtime, of course. Call the program, which is going to be create txt. Always remember to call the program. Okay, let's run it again and let's see what we get. Hit enter. There we go. So it must have created the file and it's printed out new content. So let's have a look if that's true. On the desktop, there we go. Let's open it. And there we go. There's the file, new content called readme. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and remember as always to make sure you give it a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and I will catch you in another video. Bye bye.